Some promising news this morning on the vaccine front.
Newly released data suggests that Moderna's vaccine is 94.5% effective. Channel 2's Kathy Hernandez joins us live from the Smart Financial Center in Sugar Land with more for us. Kathy, good morning.
Good morning. This morning, the COVID-19 testing continues here in Sugar Land at the Smart Financial Center. We talked to a local doctor who's leading the trial here in Houston. She says the data is hopeful. As the nation surpasses 11 million coronavirus cases, promising news this morning. Moderna says its COVID-19 vaccine appears to be 94.5% effective. That's according to preliminary data from its ongoing study.
The message is there's hope.
Dr. El Sally is leading the Moderna trial at Baylor College of Medicine and is one of the national co-chairs of the trial. The company says of the 15,000 participants who received the vaccine, only 5 contracted COVID-19 and none became seriously ill.
Preventing COVID is one thing, but the most important thing is really preventing severe COVID. The type of disease that lands people in the hospital and in the intensive care unit.
Dr. El Sally says Houston contributed a few hundred people to the study. This comes just a week after Pfizer announced its own vaccine is 90% effective.
So now we have 2 vaccines that are really quite effective. So I think this is a really strong step forward to where we want to be about getting control of this outbreak.
Still, doctors warn Americans need to be cautious, especially now.
The holiday season is upon us. Please wear your mask, keep your distance, and wash your hands. But there is hope.
Moderna plans to seek FDA approval this month, and vaccinations could start as soon as mid-December, starting with those at most risk, including healthcare workers and the elderly. I also spoke to a man who was one of the participants of that trial. He said he is excited, first off, because he believes he did get the vaccine. Second, he believes this is one step closer to normalcy. Reporting live in Sugar Land, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Kathy, thank you.